Alright, so we should be good. We should be good. No problems. No problems. Alright, so I'll let y'all in on the secret weapon. What's the secret weapon? This is one of the secret weapons. We got more secret weapons though. But the secret weapon is like I'm gonna have to figure this out because it's gonna leak audio into here. And we do not want that. So gotta think, and you gotta execute. Whatever. I'm just gonna make music, bro. I'm tired of messing with stuff. I've been messing with stuff since I woke up. Figuring things out since I woke up. And I haven't made a single thing but like a bass. Let me stop this real quick. I can't stop it real quick. It's just definitely a secret weapon. So much inspiration and just press one key. We don't go 140. We gotta make it quick. We got 10 minutes. We're supposed to be somewhere. That's four keys. The secret weapon. Let's just draw it in, because playing it gives it like a weird velocity. Secret weapon, but it's like it's flawed to a degree. Velocity, we want that at 50 at least. That makes it worse. Okay, turn it back up to. We're gonna turn it all the way up. No, that don't help. Let's try 20. Alright, so I gotta go in there and figure it out. Whatever that is. Secret weapon, yo, all this. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I can't wait. I could do this all day. I could do this all day. For real, for real. This is awesome. Ooh, we're gonna change this color. I don't know why it's yellow. Why is it yellow? We're gonna. Alright. So, time is of the essence. That's what I call it, I think. I think we'll call it time is of the essence. Just I got like 5 minutes. Here's what you can do in 5 minutes if you invest in yourself. do this all day. You just gonna loop that first part, da da da, press for time, means, nice means, nice means. It's got the Sonics in there. Oh, I hate not having time, bro. I hate not having time. Because you could really just make something crazy if you had the time. You just gotta sit there and paint it, bro. You gotta paint it. You gotta draw it. You gotta do it. Alright, we're going to discard that beautiful sound. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm so upset. I'm so upset I had to delete it. I'm so upset. But we are out of time. Out of time. Alright. We'll be alright.